Everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Vivaldi web browser on your computer. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, the download and installation process is the same. Start by launching your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Vivaldi browser and hit enter. Click on the first result that appears. On the official Vivaldi website, click on the Download Vivaldi button. For example, if you are using Windows 11 like I am, just download the Windows version. Once the download is complete, go to your download folder and open the installer file. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, accept the terms, click OK, and wait a few moments for the installation to finish. After it's done, launch the Vivaldi browser. If it's your first time opening it, you will be guided through a short setup tutorial. And that's it. Thanks for watching.